Today's review is of Old Wisconsin Twisted Snack Sticks, handcrafted, naturally slow-smoked turkey sausage sticks. That's a mouthful. And these are gluten-free, as are the other ones that I reviewed separately. Unfortunately, the packaging does not make it easy to read the nutrition facts or the ingredients. But I'll try to show you those anyways. Good luck reading it if you want to pause. Alright, I'm going to pass it off to my son. You can use the flash if you want to. And if you think it's needed, use the flash. Yeah. Okay. This is not... One of the things I'm not so excited about with the Old Wisconsin brand is that they do not use resealable packaging. I would prefer that they did. Let's see. It smells nice. Definitely a different flavor from Stop Bite. It's definitely different from the beef. Not bad, just different. Mild flavor, not overpowering. It's nice. It's an interesting flavor. Now that I've opened the package, it may actually be easier to look at the ingredients at least. So, yeah, let me borrow that. Alright, so maybe you can pause now. Unfortunately, the nutrition facts are just not easy to read. Golly. They did not make that easy. Wish they would have put that on the front. Oh well. Alright, so these are a nice, gentle turkey sausage. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day.